Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change equalizer preset on your headphones Adidas RPD 01. You have to start by open application. Now click on the equalizer and right now choose the best one for you. But you can also go to settings, click on equalizer, and right here when you choose one of presets you can see what's changing. So choose the best one for you. Let's say rock, it's okay for me. Now back, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.